Welcome to FxPro. Today, we'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to verify your profile using our award-winning mobile app. First, open the FxPro app. If you have not already installed, you can download the FxPro app from the Play Store, App Store, or Huawei Store. Just search for FxPro or scan the QR code on screen. Log in using your registered FxPro email address and password. Depending on your jurisdiction, you may be required to take a picture of your ID document and possibly a proof of residence. Make sure the picture includes the full page of your ID, is clear and not blurry, and shows all relevant details such as your document ID number, full name, date of birth, and expiry date. You will then be prompted to take a selfie to confirm your identification. Verification is fast, usually taking just a few minutes. Once verified, you can immediately start funding your wallet and trading. With FxPro, trade like a pro right from your mobile.